When I was one, I sucked my thumb on the day I went to sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said to me, "You go this way, that way, forwards, backwards, over the deep blue sea." When I was two, I tied my shoe on the day I went to sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We go this way, that way, forwards, backwards, over the deep blue sea." When I was three, I skinned my knee on the day I went to sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We go this way, that way, forwards, backwards, over the deep blue sea." When I was four, I went to shore on the day I went to sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship on the captain, and the captain said to me, "We go this way, that way, forwards, backwards, over in the deep blue sea." When I was five, I got a beehive on the day I went to sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We go this way, that way, forwards, backwards, over in the deep blue sea." When I was six, I really got sick on the day I went to sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "We go this way, that way, forwards, backwards, over in the deep blue sea."
That was so good.
Can we look at it?
Yes.